You can't possibly imagine how thrilled I was, winning the bid on this pre-owned Datsun pickup truck, as I could find only American truck or pickup kits at the local hobby shops near me. This Datsun pickup kit was quite a sight to see when I browsed through eBay. So much so that I documented the listing and the model with photography once again when I received the package. It was originally a 4x4 off-road truck kit. I wanted to convert it to one of the 3 body types that I exclusively liked. First, hatchback, including station wagon. With my skills, ain't gonna happen. Second, Model A, including Model T. But it ain't a body type, so not gonna happen either. Last, panel van, namely whatever looks like a sedan on the front and van on the rear. The latter required just wrapping the pickup bed with an IDE cable from my Pentium 4. What a no-brainer option I should go for. First, I mocked up the whole structure, and then I wrapped it up, along with other ongoing projects, for relocation. I arrived at my destination, unleashed the class of 2011, and continued my panel van. The cable was easy to bend and curve, and it already came with texture that made it look like corrugated metal. Details such as sidebars and roof racks were added to reinforce rigidness. Finally, with markings and labeling in place, this mundane utility van is at your service.